Okay. Matt. Throw me your camera. Throw me your camera. Throw me your camera.
I can't.
I have to do an intro.
Your favorite part?
I'm always terrible at intros.
But you always somehow manage to make it work.
Because I'm talented, Matt.
See? So that's why you got this.
Hey. You're walking home. It's just a joke. All right. So I can't tell you where we are. Some people will know. But I can't tell you where we are. We are in East Texas somewhere. And we are walking to this little creek. And we're gonna fish a little bit. No bass. We've never caught bass out here, actually. I mean, I've fished out here a lot. Never caught any bass. But there's little bluegill. I think we caught Tanner. Didn't we catch some catfish out here one time? Caught some catfish. All really small. It's just really fun. So we brought a crew out here today. And we're going fishing.
Hey, first fish on.
Look how tiny. Most of them are tiny like this, but this place is so much fun. You just cast a little live bait worm. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there he goes.
He's fine. He's back at home. No, this is so much fun. Got him. Boom!
Hey, back again.
It's a little bigger one. Here, bring it to me and I'll fix it. I really don't even know what these are for sure. I'm assuming they're like little bluegill. Their mouths are huge though.
Yeah.
That one weighed a lot. That one was kind of heavy.
Yeah, had a little beef to it. Yeah, they really are.
I probably got malaria in my mouth.
Got him. He was hard to catch. He's so tiny. Golly. So, okay. Maybe somebody will know. I literally have no idea what these fish are called. I have no idea what they are. We catch them here. They're like purple and orange. I've only ever caught them out here in these little creeks. But yeah, they're really pretty. I probably should know what I'm catching, but no idea. He's pretty.
Julia, you got any luck?
Hey. Yeah, I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Oh, no.
Just as good as a weight.
Happens to everybody, okay? All right, Jay, what you just catch there?
Oh, a little catfish.
Hey.
Different species. The third different species. Jackson just got something.
Yeah, something
But this
small.
is the third different species today.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Let me tell them what we're doing.
Yeah. Oh, wait, let me grab the camera. I'm taking pictures and video because it's just a cool spot. This would be cool to look back on. Actually, I'm definitely going to post this picture.
Okay. Can you grab the worms? You got it? Yeah, we're going that way. You want your rod?
No, I'm not going to fish. I'm just going to spot.
Okay. Matt. Throw me your camera. Throw me your camera. Throw me your camera.
I can't.
I got it. You're good.
We're good.
We're good. The camera's good. As long as the camera's good.
I freaked out.
You did. You
I
didn't.
was like, oh.
You didn't
my
say
God.
anything though.
So I got scared.
Hey,
I'm like, no.
I'll tell you what though. It's GoPro's on.
Dude. Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Oh, that scared me, dude.
Got a little mud on it, but that's all right.
On my phone? Oh, shoot.
Okay, so Matt, what just happened? Bro.
I slipped and fell in the water. And all I cared about was my camera, my expensive camera. Oh God. I brought a change of clothes too, so.
All right, now we're gonna go on down the creek.
Yep. Scary stuff.
Yeah, I heard.
How cold was it?
Nope. But the water isn't deep though, is it?
Was it cold?
Yeah, it is cold.
It's about to be soaking wet all the way down to my.
Dude,
Oh yeah.
All right, maybe I can do it without sinking.
All right, Jackson.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
And she's soaked.
And it's soaking wet. All right, Matthew. I'm about to catch him. There he is.
You really get one?
Yeah. He sure did. Surely did. All right, Matt. Got one. Yep. Ooh, he's blue and he's real blue. It's sandy. Look at that. Look at him.
Oh, wait.
How pretty he is.
Oh, snap.
Oh, no!
I do have a chair.
He said, I'm making my way. You just make your way all down there, buddy.
Making my way downtown.
Ba-na-na-na-na-na.
Oh no,
got
you
one.
should be trusted with the camera. You done fell in already.
Hey, listen, almost.
I was wondering how far you were gonna slip.
Yeah, that makes two of us. I was waiting to catch some grip, bruh. Jordan said, throw me your camera. Throw me your camera. I'm like,
Matt.
Stop your camera.
I was like, you can drown. Throw me the camera. It's insane that this is in East Texas. Like, show them that.
yeah.
And I know, like, East Texas is beautiful, but I don't know. This is just a fun spot to come and catch different things. We've got 3 or 4 different species already today. Oh man, I missed him.
Yeah.
Anyway, let me get back to fishing. Hold on, I gotta dump my water out of my boot first.
That's such an odd sound.
Look,
Oh, son.
I told y'all. Man, he just ruined it because it was gonna look way harder when I did it in these
Well, do it
boots.
that way.
And way funnier.
Do it the other way.
I don't know. There's no way I can make it to that.
That's why I did it the other way.
Uh huh.
Julian, please don't fall in the water. It's not pleasant and it's cold.
He got one.
You got one?
You got him.
Hey, that's not.
Giant.
Set the hook like Jackson tried to set the hook. And it really
That's
is.
pretty big.
It really is a giant.
That's pretty big.
It's a.
Be chill, be chill, dude. Be
Trying to
chill.
speed
Be
run
chill.
this whole thing.
Be chill. Be chill. I got you. You good?
Hey, Matt.
Hey, Jordan.
You feeling the water today?
I know, dude. I'm upset about that, bro. Like, all right. So I'll just be completely honest with you. Let me talk to the camera. So, one, I can't swim. So I probably shouldn't. Well, the water's not that deep, but I was afraid it was going to be too deep. And then 2, I had my $1,200 camera in my hand.
I think I'm gonna walk all the way around this.
You can understand the frustration. So
Or the
you got any other
fear.
spots that aren't mosquito infested?
these guys.
I think I bit by mosquito.
Complaining since we got here.
These guys. These guys. You know what? When we go on our fishing adventures, they ain't no complaining about the skeeters.
Yeah, it's just us two
Although,
over here.
honestly, I got a lot of mosquito bites coming.
Yeah, we've been getting lit up.
All right, so wrapping up the day. Everybody caught, I think we caught like 3 or 4 different species, I'd say, probably. Catfish, some, I think they're bluegill. I don't know what the other ones were called, but super cool, just fun. The cool thing about this place to me isn't really like the size of the fish or what you catch. It's more like it's pretty out here. So it's fun to do. Bring your little cheap spinning rods in. Just make a day of it and have fun. So on this Sunday afternoon, we did just that with some pretty cool people. My knee just popped because I'm old. And to end this video, let me show you something.